Mole is a counting unit in chemistry. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power particles. That is the Avogadro's number. So whenever you are expressing something in chemistry, you use the word mole. Example, a mole of water means 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power molecules of water. And also a mole of potassium ions means 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power potassium ions. Molar mass is the mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance. So, for example, we have 1 mole of atoms that is equal to 1 molar mass or gram atomic mass, and that is also equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power atoms. Another example is 1 mole of ions is equal to 1 molar mass or the gram atomic mass, which is also equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power ions. Another example is 1 mole of molecules is equal to 1 molar mass or molecular mass, which is also equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power molecules, and 1 mole of compound is equal to 1 molar mass or formula mass, which is also equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power formula units. Alright, so let us have sample problem pertaining to moles. Our sample problem is how many moles of carbon atoms are contained in 4 grams of carbon. For the solution, we will be using the atomic number of carbon, which is 12 AMU or atomic mass unit, and that is also equal to the molar mass of carbon is 12 grams per mole. Now, in order to convert this 4 grams of carbon to number of moles, we'll be using this molar mass. So, our equation will be 4 grams of carbon times 1 mole divided by 12 grams equals to 0.333 mole of carbon. Of course, we're going to cancel grams and grams. Got it? Alright, so let's have another sample problem. How many moles of water are there in 36 grams of water? So for the solution, the molecular mass of H2O or water is 18 AMU or atomic mass unit. And that is equal to molar mass of water, which is 18 grams per mole. So if we have 36 grams of water times the molar mass, we'll get the reciprocal, so we can cancel grams here and grams here. Times 1 mole over 18 grams equals to 2 moles of water. So we cancel grams, that's why the remaining unit is mole. 36 times 1 divided by 18 equals to 2. Another sample problem is how many moles of sodium chloride are contained in 10 grams of sodium chloride. For our solution, first you have to determine the formula mass of sodium chloride or NaCl. Because the formula mass of a compound is determined from the number of atoms and the atomic mass of each element indicated by the formula. Alright, so in order to get the formula mass, again, the formula is number of atoms times the atomic mass of sodium, in this case, plus number of atoms times the atomic mass of chlorine. So let's apply that to the formula. So in this case, we have 1 atom of sodium. Remember, if there's no subscript, that is automatic equal to 1. So we have 1 for sodium times 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. So we will multiply 1 to 23 plus 1 atom for chlorine times the atomic mass of chlorine from the periodic table, that's 35 AMU. So what you're going to do is multiply 1 to 23. You will get 23, and multiply 1 to 35, you will get 35, and then you add 23 and 35, you will get 58 AMU or atomic mass unit, and that will be the formula mass of NaCl. And formula mass is the same with molar mass, alright? So molar mass of NaCl is also equal to formula mass of NaCl in grams per mole. So that is basically 58 grams per mole. So, in that case, we can convert 10 grams to number of moles by multiplying 10 grams to 1 mole and divide it by 58, but you have to cancel grams and grams here. So you will get 0.172 mole of NaCl.